Welcome to Module 10 in the Work That Makes Sense Suite. First, inertia and resistance, and then visual mini-systems and their amazing power to connect, align, and strengthen your operational landscape and your work culture. The Module 10 agenda begins with your associates learning and discussing the telling difference between inertia and resistance and helpful ways to handle both. Then on to visual mini-systems, what they are, why they're important, and as always, your teams will study lots and lots of actual examples, and then they develop visual mini-systems of their own as part of the session. Our first teaching example provides a clear definition of the two types of inertia, which in the actual module is followed by a hands-on exercise in understanding both types, and then do the same for resistance. Here's the dictionary definition. Inertia describes the tendency of a body, a thing, that is at rest to stay at rest unless it is acted upon by an outside force, or if it is moving to stay moving unless it is acted upon by an outside force. There are two types of inertia, resting inertia and moving inertia. Here's resting inertia, this masking tape just sitting there, not moving. It will remain that way until it is acted upon by something else, like this finger. Push the tape and it moves into the second type of inertia, moving inertia, and it will continue moving until something outside it stops it, like this wall. So the two types of inertia have meaning in terms of things, but also in terms of people. Let's look at that at work. Teaching example 2 shares the final 6 of the 20 simple visual mini-systems in Module 10, invented by associates just like yours. These 6 are tightly connected, so tightly connected that we say they represent a system of visual mini-systems. You'll see. And a third system of simple visual mini-systems by Rick L., this time for changeover of a different machine in his work area. This simple mini-system cabinet, number 15 in our countdown, a cabinet of things, fixtures, clamps, adjustment tools, all color-coded to model, and 2 more cabinets, 16 and 17. Each a simple mini-system, patch borders, addresses, the visual wear excellent. And this, number 18. Remember Rick L's fixture for fixtures, big tooling on wheels, so he could move it in and out of his value field at will? Oh, wonderful. Simple system number 19 in our countdown. Hold downs for cradles. And here we are in 20. Gauges and other checking devices for changeover precision. You get the point. Rick has connected 6 simple mini-systems into a system of simple mini-systems, all to support and ensure accurate, frequent changeovers on this machine. And you know what else? Rick worked in a union plant with fellow employees bidding for where they wanted to be assigned. He worked on the day shift, and everyone on second and third shift wanted to win, wanted to work in Rick's cell. They called it the no-thinking cell, and Rick took that as a compliment. He put it this way: when people come to my cell to work, they don't have to struggle. Everything is at their fingertips. They simply flow. They do the dance of work. They do the dance of work. I've made everything visual and convenient. They don't have to think. They just enjoy their work. They dance. Pretty cool, huh? The 57 fully animated, fully narrated slides in Module 10 provide associates with a chance to sort through feelings they observe or feel related to the visual conversion underway. And then they roll up their sleeves and develop hands-on visual mini-systems that align, connect, and strengthen.